Hello, my lovely viewers. You can see I'm excited. In this video, I'm going to be sharing the tips and the tricks and my secret strategies on achieving my 1K. So I'm super excited. Like, I achieved my 1K so in less than a month. How? Keep watching this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, the favored one. You can call me Favour the Nurse Midwife. Yes. So yeah, today we're going to be sharing the secret strategy I used in achieving my 1K sub. Yeah, a lot of you have been asking how Favour, how. So yes, I'm going to tell you. Don't worry, just grab your popcorn, your drink, and let's dive into it. So, well, I'll start by saying this. I started YouTube long ago. I've been on this YouTube journey for over a year now. As at January 2023, when I started YouTube, I was at 100 subs, right? I'll take you through this journey. It took me a whole year plus to get to 200 subs. Like, I was 100 sub January 2023, yeah, and then I got to 200 subscribers in July this year. Imagine, a long time. So how did I now get 1K between July and today, which is the day I'm making this video? I'm over 1,000 already. But how in less than a month? How? Well, keep watching this video because I'll be sharing those tips I used. Yeah, they were really helpful. You can see the evidence. Yeah. I'll start by saying optimizing your videos, optimizing your titles and all of that works. And I use vidIQ. I use the app called vidIQ. I don't know how you pronounce it. Some people call it Vidic. I don't know, but I call it vidIQ. Now, this app is very helpful. If you've not got this app, download it. It's very helpful for YouTubers. Use this app to optimize your videos. Now, you see, the title matters. If you're posting whether a short or a long form video, try and make sure you use a very good title. Create a title that is very informative and attention grabbing. Yeah, so don't just put anyhow kind of title. Oh, whatever comes to your mind, that's what you want to put. Use an eye-catching title. And secondly, I'll say the thumbnail. The thumbnail does it does a lot for your channel. You see, thumbnail, I use Canva to make my thumbnail, but if you've got more suggestions, you can share it down on the comment section, okay? But I use Canva. If you create a very eye-catching thumbnail, it will attract people to you. People will be like, oh, what's going on here? You get more views and you get more subscribers. Another important tip is social media, making use of your social media accounts. If you do a video or you make a video, post it. If you're using WhatsApp, post it, share it there. Don't say my WhatsApp contacts are not watching my YouTube videos, so I won't. No, you don't know where these subscribers will come from. Now, I'm sharing these tips because I'm sharing these tips. I'm sharing these tips because these are the things that helped me. I will save the best for the last year, but you see, I share every video I post. I share to my WhatsApp, to my Facebook, all your social media accounts, your Instagram. If you've got a lot, just keep sharing your videos there, sharing the links and all. It goes a long way. It helps a lot. Now, I made mention of something earlier, putting in the work. You need to work. You need to put in all the work you can put. Like, it involves time. It involves time. It involves a lot of hard work. It involves consistency. Now, let me tell you like the main secret. You see, live videos. Live videos. Now, these live videos are really helpful. Sometimes you come across people's live, you just scroll and pass. No, don't just waste that minute. If you see anybody's live, whether you're subscribed or not, if you see, check out, you're not subscribed, you check this channel, you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, make sure they notice you. Hey, they used to call me queen of emojis. Yeah, they call me queen of emojis because if I visit your life, even if I don't know you, I don't know what to say, I will be sending you that emojis. Now you're making yourself notice, right? And you see other people that are in that life will be like, oh, who is this person? This person is supportive. That is it. You are gaining subscribers. Imagine attending how many lives and making yourself known. That's why I say you need to put in the work. You need to put in the work. Don't just come to somebody's life and spend 1 minute there and you're running away. Who will notice you that way? Nobody, my dear. Yeah, you've supported that person for the 1 minute, yes. But how about you yourself? You have a goal. You have you have a target, you have something to achieve. So make sure you allow yourself to be noticed when you visit these people's channel. I'm telling you, this was my top secret. This was my top secret. So my top secret was attending people's live. Wow, I was so engrossed. I kept attending the live and not just attending, I was being noticed. Yes. So you need to spend time on people's channel, keep sending or have a chat. If you're the type that can engage in conversations, converse with that person. Other people will notice you. Trust me, I gain majority of my subscribers by doing just this secret. Yeah. And then in summary, I'll say optimize your videos, use very good and catchy thumbnails, make use of your social media accounts, attend people's live, and if you don't even do live videos, start doing one now. Okay, these top tips are what helped me. Thank you for watching my video up until this point. Yeah, so these are the tips that actually helped me. If you want more secrets, come meet me, come inbox me, and I'll share with you. Okay, but if you have other tips for my viewers, share it with us in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll still be sharing some more amazing tips. In fact, if you're watching this video, that's one step of winning my giveaway. A giveaway is coming up soon. I'll be announcing the dates and my community post, so look out, watch out for that. Okay, we'll be doing a giveaway to celebrate my 1K. So so thank you, lovelies. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye.